Hello everyone, my name is Anthony Biasini and I am one of the high school academic teachers here at CVES. My academic concentration with the learners I serve this year is high school English and social studies 9 through 12. Our social studies classes are studying a variety of past and present world cultures in our global studies classes. Since this is a presidential election year, our government classes are following the presidential election races very closely. In addition to learning the facets of our democratic form of government, my students have researched the platforms that the two presidential candidates are running under and their stance on critical issues and topics facing our country and our society as a whole. Our English classes have started the school year exploring a variety of ebooks that include Tim Black's Abolition, Ray Bradbury's Fahrenheit 451, and Allison Singer's What is the President's Job? I also have learners in a business math class this year that have been exploring the ins and outs of budgeting and managing your money for survival in the real world. We have expanded the way our instruction is delivered to accommodate the needs of in-person learners as well as virtual remote learners. We have maximized our use of Microsoft Teams, virtually eliminating the need for traditional books, papers, and pens. We continue to upload, download, and electronically submit our assignments, making the best use of our technological tools available. We are looking forward to a successful and productive school year. Thank you.